Batch Lady. Yes, we are in a different section of the kitchen because today I am not giving you a new recipe that's fast, simple, freezable because my freezer looks like this. Literally, even if you are the batch lady, you can have times like this when things just get on top of you and your freezers end up out of control. And I have stopped batch cooking this week because I can't fit anything else in my freezers, but I can as soon as I've cleared it out because it's a mess. So I have got my trusty gloves. I have got a bag tied to the handle of my freezer for anything that's to go in the bin. I've got some cool freezer bags that are ready to have anything like this. Look, that I tell all of you not to do. Look at my, can you see my peppers there? They're all frozen, they've got freezer burn. I mean, they look so bad. They're just left in an open bag like that. Half of them I'm probably going to find at the bottom of the freezer. So I'm going to get cleaning out this freezer just now. These are going to all get sorted and put into nice sealable bags. I'm not going to waste this. I'll just make sure I use it pretty soon and get back to me at the end and I will show you what this horrendous freezer now looks like. I'm going to do the one in my house and then I'm going to go and do the huge big one. But if you're ever thinking I want to batch cook but I can't, I have to clean out my freezer and everything, don't panic. Cleaning out freezers actually takes no time at all. Make sure you've got gloves. I've got some towels down here on my bench. Everything's going onto the toweled bench. I'm going to empty it, give it a quick wipe down and then put all the stuff back in, and what's not supposed to be in here, what's supposed to be in my main freezer, I'm then going to transfer over so I've got a nice space left if I need to freeze anything flat. Okay, so here goes. Wish me luck. Right guys, so don't know, can you see in it now? Can you see really close? This took me about 15 minutes if you've been watching this. Literally about 15 minutes. And it is, I've taken out some stuff, actually not very much, that's gone into my main freezer that just shouldn't have been in there. But really, what I've done is I've just left, this is all the breakfast stuff up here. So this is my extra bagels and scones and stuff. Some fruit for the kids' smoothies. The ice lollies, I've taken them all out the boxes, which always helps. Take them out the boxes and put them in a sealed bag as well. Here is all my veg that I use every day. I always use frozen veg and they're all now just in their nice packets like this, okay? I've gone through them all. If there was anything that was really frostbitten, I've got rid of it, but most stuff isn't too bad. I've left a spare shelf. Now, you probably can't do this if you've got a small freezer, but if you've got a freezer like this and you've got another sort of chest freezer, this sort of shelf is great for freezing your stacked bags on. So I just tried to leave one empty when I know I'm going to batch cook, and I can stack them in there and then they freeze completely flat, and then I can move them to my other freezer. And down here, I've got sausage rolls and some pizzas and bacon and stuff like that, and then 2 lots here filled with other little bags. I don't always change the bags. These ones are already sealable, so I just leave them, which is fantastic. And literally that took no time at all. It now means that I can't tell you, this is feel good factor. Spend 15 minutes on your freezer, empty it, rearrange it, put it into your bag so that you can see exactly what it is. It's beeping at me now, it's been open too long, and you will feel so much better. I'm off to collect the kids from school. I feel like I've got a halo around my head. Hope you enjoy cleaning out your freezer. I'm sure you won't, but at least when you do it, you'll feel a lot better about it. Take care, I'm the Batch Lady. Bye.